Hello everyone. In this video session, we are going to discuss the play Mrich Katika or The Little Clay Cart by Shudraka. In this video session, we'll first discuss the introduction and the background aspect of this play, followed by the discussion of the overview and the publication of this play. Mrich Katika, which is also known as Mrich Katikam in Sanskrit, is a 10-act play which was originally written in Sanskrit, and its writing is attributed to some Sudraka, who is known to be an ancient playwright who possibly belonged to 15th century AD. The identity of Shudraka is in the prologue of this play is as a Kshatriya king who was also a devotee of Shiva, who lived for more than 100 years. There is no much information available about the writer Shudraka except that he belonged to some place called Ujjaini. This play, Mrich Katikam, is one of the special kind of play which is categorized as a Prakaran play. A Prakaran play is that kind of play which is very much different from those plays which belong to the epic material or the lives of the heroes and kings. The Prakaran plays mostly focus on the real life situation and the characters of the real societies. The play offers a very fascinating view of the different layers of the urban society of its time. As far as the setting of the play is concerned, the play is set in the ancient city of Ujjaini during the reign of King Palak or Palaka near the first quarter of the 5th century. The central plot or the central story of the play is about two people, a noble but an impoverished young Brahmin, Charudat, who falls in love with a wealthy courtesan, a Nagravadu, whose name is Vasansena. So the central story of this play is a love affair between Charudat and Vasansena, where Charudat is a Brahmin and Vasansena is a Nagravadu. Despite their mutual love affair, the couple's lives and their love are threatened. Their love gets a challenge when a vulgar courtier Samsthanak begins to aggressively pursue Vasansena. In a way, Samsthanak is a villain in the love story of Charudat and Vasansena. This is the entire plot of this play. The play, as it is mentioned earlier, was originally written in Sanskrit and was later translated into English. The play is written in a way that it reveals that cheating is not right, that deceiving someone is not right, and cheating can lead to a series of unfortunate events. So the central idea or the main theme of the play is infidelity. Despite the author revealing the consequences of having an extramarital affair, he still stresses the fact that true love prevails. Although the play is about an extramarital love affair where Charudat is married and he falls in love with a courtesan, their manner of love making cannot be said to be a fair way, but still, the writer stresses on the point that true love prevails as both Charudat and Vasantsena reunite in the end of the play. The play in its effect is very much captivating because the plot of the play is unpredictable. For example, the development of the plot is done in a way that there is an arrest of Charudat, and later on he reunites with his lover in the end of the play, and these developments of this plot make this play an interesting and surprising view. There is one more important aspect of this play, that the play is about the real life people and the real life situations. For example, in the real life situation, the rights of the poor in most of the cases are neglected, even in any system of justice. This negligence of the rights of the poor prevailed in ancient time, so is the condition in the modern day life. In this play, this point has been highlighted. Furthermore, infidelity, which is the highlight or the main issue of this play, is presented to be prevailing in the ancient time, has become a mainstream occurrence even in the modern society. Although the play The Little Clay Cart is set in ancient India, the theme of the play is applicable to any society, even in the modern day world. As far as the publication of the play is concerned, the play was written in those time originally in Sanskrit, which is difficult to assign any time, but its translation and its publication in the modern time in English is very well known. The play was translated into English by a notable writer, Arthur W. Ryder, in 1905, who gave this play Mrich Kattikam the English title The Little Clay Cart. This same play, Sanskrit play, had previously been translated by Horace Hayman Wilson in 1826, who gave this play the title The Toy Cart. So, this is all about the overview and introduction of the play Mrich Kattikam by Shudraka. Thank you.